Have you ever wondered what happens when you crack your knuckles? When you crack your knuckles, you're actually creating tiny gas bubbles in the synovial fluid that surrounds your joints. As the bubbles collapse, they produce the popping sound you hear. Contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. However, excessive knuckle cracking may lead to reduced grip strength and hand swelling. So, while cracking your knuckles may not be harmful in moderation, it's best to avoid excessive cracking. Want to learn more about fascinating biology and science topics?